Alrighty, welcome back everyone. So we're just going to continue on with the routing portion of this project. So we're just going to continue routing. So we're going to focus now on all the MOSFET stuff, and we're going to focus on routing some of the traces that come off the primary side of our transformer. And then we'll probably look at the snubber circuit as well. So again, I'll probably just kind of start flowing on this, and I'll make pauses wherever I think there needs to be any commentary. So I'll say just be careful to make in this section, make your traces thick enough to handle any high currents. I don't think there should be too many. Well, there will be some decently high current on the switching side of this MOSFET, and then also on the snubber, probably make those pretty thick. Other than that, I think we're generally okay. So yeah, let's get started. Alrighty, so I think I'm pretty much done with the routing so if you see what I was doing, so what I would do is I would toggle between, I click show all nets, that way I cover anything that I missed, and so you see these lines pop up, and you zoom in on them and you realize they're just ground nets, and so we're actually going to make a ground plane, so I was just able to disregard them for now. So we click hide net. So now, oh, see, we missed one actually. So if you see what I was talking about, so it's an easy way to figure out if you have any unrouted nets on your board is just click show all, and then, like I said, since we're already making a ground plane for the grounds, then we can just disregard them, so it's not that big of a deal. But all in all, yeah, it's coming together. We're making good progress. So in the next video, I'll talk about routing the feedback signals, everything we need to do for that, and I'll give any tips and guidelines for that portion of the layout. And we also missed one here. And of course, we'll also be doing a design rule check at the end of this, and unrouted nets, of course, will ding us, give us an error, so we'll be able to catch ourselves that way, so it should be easy. But yeah, of course, like I said, going back and looking over this multiple times, totally normal, totally acceptable. You know, you always find some little errors here and there, especially when you have these short little like nets, like these little lines, they don't stick out on the board as well. Another trick we can actually do is displaying, we can hide all the layers as well, and then we just show just the copper pads. That's an easy way to tell, because then these lines stand out much better, right? And in fact, honestly, you could even argue that this is the best way to even look at routing, right? Because as long as you because literally as long as you don't run into any other copper pads or vias or anything, then like your routing actually looks fine. It actually looks kind of cool this way. So yeah, I want to say please drop a like if this video helped you out at all. It really helps out my channel a ton, so I really appreciate it. Subscribe if you want to stay up to date on any videos related to this project. I also post a lot of electrical engineering related content, so maybe you'd be interested in that, and you can check out more videos on my channel. But yeah, so thank you so much if you made it to the end of this video, and hopefully I will see you in the next one.